Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to delete photos on Android 16. So first let's head over to the photos. So scroll down. Now it should be probably around here. So I'll search for it and search for photos. Now here we have some photos, as you guys can see. They're very cool. Now if you want to trash something, then go to trash, move to trash, and now it's in the trash right here. Here we can select it and then delete it completely. So this is how you guys can do that. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.